As you are planning your relocation process, have you considered the things you need to do at the bank? That is why I am creating this particular video for you to watch and plan ahead. Also, this video is not particular to those living in Nigeria. You can also share this video with anyone that is planning a relocation process, because the information that will be shared in this video will be a bit similar to the one that applies to other countries. So that is why I'm not going to just put this video to only Nigerians. Basically, the aim of this video is to talk about relevant or necessary information you need to know and things you need to do at the bank before you relocate from one country to another. That is what we'll be talking about in this particular video. We will be addressing things like, why should you even close a less active account or a dormant account? Is there any reason why you should close it? Okay.
If you receive SMS alert every month, the charges will enter into your account, and by the time you move all your cash in the account to another account or you withdraw physically, at the end of the day, your account will be thrown into debit.
And how can you even get access to CBN bond? Every important information related to things you need to sort out at the bank before leaving this country or leaving any country you are in. That is what we'll be discussing in this video. Glory is back with another amazing topic, less spoken here on YouTube, but basically to help someone out there plan ahead smarter. So keep watching, subscribe, like, and share. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I am a poet, a content creator, and a sound engineer. In today's video, my aim is basically to help anyone planning their relocation process, help you know the things you should do at the bank and things you should not say ouch to because you did not remember to do them. And that is why this video is created, for you to plan ahead, know the things you want to do, and help you become aware of certain things you don't even know about. So just keep watching, because I have an amazing guest in the banking and finance industry. He's going to tell us a lot of things that we need to know, because myself, I can't wait to share this information with you guys, and I hope you actually love it and you like, subscribe, and share at the same time. My returning subscribers, what would I do without you guys? You guys are the reason why this channel is thriving. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and for those seeing me for the first time, I hope I've been able to convince you that this channel is what you need, okay? Just subscribe to my channel. It is the red cute subscribe button below the video. It is absolutely free. All right, so without wasting your time, let's get talking with our guest. All right?
I am opeyemiomigbodun, Elijah. I am here to share with you a few things I've learned in the banking industry. I work with one of the leading financial organizations in Nigeria. So I'm here to share with you a few things I've learned over the years. How can one get dollar at the bank before relocating? Well, one can get dollar via PTA with a return ticket. PTA is personal travel allowance. So of course you must have your return ticket, you must have your international passport. Just walk straight into the bank. You must have an account with the bank. It is advisable for you to walk straight in the bank in which your account is domiciled, so it will be faster that way. It's necessary to close any account you don't use frequently. Some people do not know this. For instance, now, if you have a current account, at the advent of stamp duty, now, if someone transfers some money to your account at the end of the month, they will pass a debit entry into your account called stamp duty. And of course, if you receive SMS alert every month, the charges will enter into your account, and by the time you move all your cash in the account to another account or you withdraw physically, at the end of the day, your account will be thrown into debit. And the implication of this is that you will not be able to access loan from any financial institution in Nigeria, because by the time they run credit check on you, on your account with your BVN and your details, the credit check will return negative, and they will tell you to clear yourself from the financial institution you are owing, in this case bank. So it is advisable you close any account, be it savings, current, and the like, before relocating abroad.
For people that say, okay, I'm going to borrow money from a particular organization and japa, do you think they will be caught? Do you think they can get away with just borrowing money and just running away from the country?
They will report you, your account, your details are there already. Credit bureau, by the time over there where you are going, wherever country you are, if you want to access any loan, they will run credit check on you and it will return negative. Like I said earlier, your details will pop up over there because this is internet. We are all interconnected. So by the time they run their check, they do their background check, you won't be able to access any loan from it. So it is advisable you clear yourself before leaving the country. So you cannot run away forever.
Can my naira debit card work abroad?
Yes, your MasterCard can work abroad, but it is subject to a maximum of $20 per month. So it can work. You can open a DOM account by walking straight into any local bank in Nigeria. One, you must have your either of these: international passport, voter's card, NIN slip. Of course, your NIN will be there. That's NIMC slip, your NIN will be there, or your driver's license. And it is preferable you have an account with them. Your account must be domiciled for at least 6 months in that bank, so they will attend to you in a very swift manner. Some bank will tell you to fund that account immediately. Some will say, okay, open. You can fund anytime, but within 30 days or within 14 working days. So it varies generally. It varies.
Say you want to withdraw money now from the account, are they going to give it to you in naira?
Of course, you can. If you walk straight into your local bank, you tender your account number, they can convert it to naira and give you the naira equivalent. Or if you want the dollar itself, they can give you the dollar, provided they have that dollar in the branch at that moment. If they do not have, they might tell you to go to the nearest branch to them or persuade you to get the naira equivalent. So it is not advisable to withdraw all the cash in your DOM account because of the charges that they will pass into it, and you will not like your DOM account to be thrown into debit. The banking business is generally to make profits, and of course charges will accrue.
Say you want them to be taking those charges from your naira account, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So there's that option.
There is that option. Yes.
So that means even if you take out your dollar, you are still safe.
You are still safe, but you know the rates differs. So the rates in dollar, by the time they pass it into your naira account, it will eat deep into your naira account. So your savings in naira might be a little bit affected.
Okay. So what is a better saving option for those living abroad? Should they keep saving here back home in Nigeria, or should they continue? What's the option? What's the best option?
Well, with the rate of devaluation of naira, it is not advisable you save in naira. So I will advise you have an investment, be it real estate, landed property, or you have a property in which you have tenants. They always pay into your account. So by so doing, your account will always be active.
Why does the price of dollar affect everything in Nigeria?
Well, Nigeria is a country that demands more on importation of goods and services. So if I import goods in naira, for instance, I want to make profit, you do not expect me to sell those goods the same amount I bought it. So in other words, import duty, all these charges and everything, by the time I convert it to naira, it will definitely affect the naira equivalent. So naira, the rate at which you will buy it will of course increase because I want to make profit too. So that's the basic reason why dollar affects naira in Nigeria.
So how do I get CBN bond if I'm interested?
Well, walk into any branch and request for CBN bond. We have a lot of bonds. We have Euro bonds, we have CBN bond, we have treasury bills, and a host of others. So you walk straight into any local bank. It's preferable you walk into a bank in which your account is domiciled. I always say that. So they will know you are their customer. Of course, you have a request letter to access that, and you must have your international passport or voter's card, national ID card, or driver's license. So with that, they will give a form you fill, in which the customer service representative will forward that form to the treasury department of the bank. So, because as a Nigerian, you cannot have a CBN bond with your name. Your bank must do it for you. Your bank will buy the bonds on your behalf, and the name will be registered with your name. CBN bond is what CBN is Central Bank of Nigeria. So it's like a security itself. For instance, if you want to access loan from a bank, you can actually tender that as a security for the loan you are applying for. So it is very secure, it is safe. It's the apex bank in Nigeria, and you do not expect CBN to fall anytime soon. So it is very safe, it is very secure. If you walk straight into your local bank, they will tell you the minimum amount so that you can at the end of the day make profit. You cannot put your savings in CBN because every bank in Nigeria has an account with CBN. Let's say Bank XYZ and Bank ABC. Bank ABC is expected to have an account with CBN. Bank XYZ is expected to have an account with CBN. So individually, you cannot go to CBN to have an account to save your funds, because having a bank is subject to some permits, some licenses and co. And as an individual, you don't have that license, you don't have that permit. So it is advisable to go to your local bank and save your cash. It is very safe and it is very secure. Transferring money to your new account abroad, you just get the foreign bank details. You get the details, you walk straight into the bank. There is a department we call funds transfer in every banking sector.
Funds transfer.
Fund transfer department or unit in every bank. So they will do that for you. However, if it is in Nigeria, please make sure you have that USD with you, the USD you want to transfer, because you cannot convert naira. Naira cannot be converted and sent. You must have that cash, that USD cash with you. Well, my advice to anyone traveling or relocating abroad is, please, any account you do not intend to maintain while you get there, please close it to avoid negative balance. And of course, if your account is thrown into debit, over time your account will be reported to credit bureau and you will not be able to access loan anywhere. So if you are traveling abroad, please make sure you check where you are going, check the weather, check the state, the geographical location over there. Be prepared. Don't just go there without having anything in mind, without knowing what to expect over there. So by so doing, I believe by the time you get there, you'll be happy, you move on with your life.
What's a better way to get proof of fund for those that want to relocate?
A better way to get proof of fund for those that want to relocate, family and friends supporting you. They can decide to save some money into your account, and of course it must be within 30 days, minimum of 30 days, or you access a loan from any financial organization.
Can a pension account be used as a regular account?
No, you cannot use a pension account as a regular account because they are two separate entities. For pensions, we have what we call RSA PIN. RSA is Retirement Savings Account, and it starts with PEN, then some digits, I think 11 or 12 digits, PEN, capital letter PEN. Whereas regular account for a bank, either savings or current account, starts with a single digit, then it must be up to 10 digits. So there are two separate entities, bank and pensions. No, we cannot use it. Credit check, of course. There are several credit bureaus in Nigeria, licensed credit bureaus in Nigeria by CBN. I'll just mention two. We have CRC, we have First Central. So, as an individual, you cannot just log in. You must have a password, and it must be from an organization that is licensed by CBN. So I believe if you want to go for any interview, just make sure you clear your account. Make sure your account is not in debit. Any financial organization you are owing, just pay. Clear yourself, collect letter of non-indebtedness, then collect clearance certificate. So back to the question, they will run credit check on you because they are licensed also. They will run credit check on 3 of the credit bureaus. If everything returns positive, then you're fine. But if it returns negative, they won't tell you. All these things are background check. They won't tell you. You won't know. They will just deny you your visa. And at the end of the day, you start thinking, where, how. So these are the reasons why some might be denied visa. It is possible you are owing and you do not know you are owing. For instance, something happened to a friend of mine a few weeks back. If not that he had mobile app, he wouldn't know that his current account has already been thrown into debit. Apparently, he received some inflows into his current account. I know at the advent of stamp duty now, a lot of accounts will be thrown into debit at the end of the month if you've transferred all the cash in your current account. So this my friend transferred everything, and at the end of the day, he thought he had 0 naira, 0 kobo in his account. But at the advent of him just trying to check the amount he has in all his bank accounts with their different mobile apps, he noticed that his account is now in negative 50 naira. So he had to fund his account, and the account is now regular. And he did not even get any SMS alert telling him that his account is in debit. So it's like he's owing without him knowing. So it is advisable you get a mobile app or internet banking. You request for it from your local bank. Check regularly so you can resolve some of these issues. It is necessary to upgrade your account, because while you are maybe in secondary school or higher institution, maybe 100 level, 200 level, there is an account they will open for you. For some banks, they name it some certain names. I don't want to mention names now. Each account has a limit that can enter into it. For instance, if you open an account where you're in secondary school, there's a limit of, let's say, 100,000 naira in that particular amount account. For that account you open, anything above that amount, if it enters your account definitely will be restricted. So you won't be able to access your phone until you go to the bank to regularize. So it is always good for you to upgrade your account by the time you are above 18, or if you are done with your higher institution, by the time you can tender that account number as your salaries account. So for instance, if your salary is much more than 100,000, it will go credit entry will enter it, you will withdraw seamlessly. But if you do not upgrade, there's a limit to which you can withdraw. And there's a limit your account can contain at a time. By the time you upgrade, everything will be fine. It's limitless.
So what about the profile picture, the one they took of you?
Yes. By the time you request for an upgrade form, they will ask you for a recent passport, not more than 3 months, and your signature, because your signature would have been irregular. For instance, you open an account 10 years ago, you are now grown enough, you are expecting an huge inflow into your account. So you request for an upgrade form. Of course, you will sign to avoid irregular signature. You give them your passport, a recent passport, no more than 3 months. and of course utility bill not more than 3 months too. So with this, you give them, they will tell you to check back after 7 working days. So after 7 working days, you are fine. And for instance, if you want to withdraw over the counter, they will check your picture. If your picture does not match what you have at the moment, they will not attend to you. So they will tell you to meet with their customer service, change your picture and your signature over there. So to avoid all these delays, it is better you upgrade your account and put in recent passports than utility bill, as the case may be.
Of an unmarried couple that are hoping to relocate but not at the same time. So what are the financial proof that they have invested together?
Well, let me mention few of the financial proof from the financial point of view. For instance, they can purchase treasury bills together. For instance, if the husband is Tayo and the wife is Titi, if they purchase treasury bills together from their local bank, it will carry both of their names, Tayo and Titi. The treasury bills will be in their name. The FGM bond will be in their name. And another thing you can do is to have a joint account. Tayo and Titi plus their surname. This and that, X and Z plus their surname. So it is easier for you to print the statement. They will see your name and your husband's or your spouse's name, and it will serve as a form of comfort for them.
So far as they are unmarried yet.
Yes, there's something we call mandate. You have a mandate there, husband can sign, wife can sign 20,000 and below, husband can sign 20,000 to 50,000, both to sign 51,000 and above, as the case may be.
What would you do if you get an unnecessary restriction from your bank when you don't live in Nigeria anymore?
Best thing to do is to send a mail. Send a mail to the bank. Every bank has a customer service email. You send it to them. It will serve as a form. It will serve as a proof that okay, you've lodged a complaint. Because time difference, if you say you want to call, the time zone over there might be or will be different from the time zone here in Nigeria. So most times you call, the call might not go through, or probably you will not get your required result. But if you send a mail, it is faster and even cheaper that way. In a case whereby it's not resolved, then you can, of course, move to alternative means. Please kindly follow Glory Rex on YouTube. Always follow her for more information, latest updates, and all like that. Be informed. Stay tuned. Thank you. Instagram handle is opey_vongot. It's spelled OPE_VONGOT_vongot. That's my IG handle.
Okay. What do you guys think about what our guest said? Because I'm using our here because we're actually a family, all right? Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think as well in the comment section. And for those that experienced this, okay, anything that was said here, your thoughts, your experience are highly appreciated. Drop them in the comment section so that we can read and learn, okay? And anyone that this video helped, okay, let us know in the comment section. I will see you in another amazing video. And those that have made video requests, I hope I have been dropping your request one by one. If you have any video request or something you want to see on my channel, let me know in the comment section and let's see how we can make that work. I remain my humble self, Glory Rex. I love to share relevant information here on YouTube, basically to help someone out there get certain things done with ease and also smarter as well. I'll drop the contact details of our guest in the description box just in case you have more questions you want to ask. All right, so yeah, that's about it for now. I'll see you in another amazing video. I remain my humble self, Glory Rex. Bye guys.